One, use a low concentration. So start with the lowest concentration you can find and pair with a good moisturizer on top of it. If you are explicitly sensitive, then I recommend doing something we call as the sandwich method, which means you put a layer of moisturizer on first and then you put on your retinol and then more moisturizer on top of that. Number two, start slow. When introducing retinol to your sensitive skin, remember you will never regret starting slow, but you will regret overdoing it and irritating your already sensitive skin. So start out with just 2 nights a week, and if you don't feel that your skin is getting dry, slowly advance. As your skin tolerates the retinol, slowly increase the usage every few weeks accordingly. Number 3, pair your retinol with hydrating ingredients. So when it comes to products that layer with your retinol, less is more. Always opt for gentle ingredients that pair well with retinol are going to be hydrating ingredients like your hyaluronic acid, your ceramides. So those ingredients help to fortify your skin barrier and reduce the irritating effects of retinol. Number 4, avoid pairing retinol with other irritating ingredients. So since retinol can be irritating on its own, it's best to avoid pairing it with other potentially irritating active ingredients. So avoid pairing retinol with things like glycolic acid and salicylic acid because they are going to increase the risk of skin irritation and inflammation. Number 5, try retinol with niacinamide. When paired with hydrating ingredients, retinol can be less drying and irritating, which is especially good for sensitive skin. So niacinamide